Welcome back to Deep Dive, the Great Wall of China, a single continuous barrier stretching across a continent. That's just the tip of the iceberg.
What we see today is merely a fragment, a whisper of a colossal and complex system built, forgotten, and rebuilt over 2,000 years. It's not just a wall, it's a frozen battlefield, a lost communications network, and a keeper of secrets so strange they sound like science fiction. From hidden biological shields to secret tunnels and ingredients in the mortar that you could eat for lunch, the real story of the Great Wall is far more incredible than the myth.
So buckle up. Today, we were going deep to uncover 8 astonishing mysteries of the Great Wall that will completely change how you see it.
Let's start with a paradox. The number one enemy of ancient stone is nature itself, rain, wind, and plant roots. Yet, in some of the driest regions, like Gansu and Ningxia, researchers believe the wall has been protected for centuries by nature itself. A thin, living crust of cyanobacteria, moss, and lichen has acted like a natural armor, shielding the compacted earth and masonry from erosion. Think of it as the wall growing its own protective skin. But here's the twist: this only works in arid zones. In humid areas, the same vegetation traps moisture and accelerates decay. It's a fragile balance, showing how the wall's survival is intrinsically tied to its environment.
Now let's talk about what holds this giant together.
During the mighty Ming Dynasty, builders created one of history's most durable materials. Their secret ingredient? Sticky rice porridge. Yes, you heard that right, food. They mixed this glutinous rice soup with standard slaked lime to create a mortar so strong, so resilient, that walls built with it could withstand powerful earthquakes. This organic concrete was a revolutionary feat of engineering, its recipe a closely guarded secret of its time. It's a perfect example of ancient ingenuity solving modern problems centuries in advance. For centuries, the wall was seen as a blunt barrier. But recent technology has revealed it was a dynamic, smart fortress. Using drones and ground-penetrating radar, conservationists aren't just mapping the surface, they're looking inside and underneath. They've discovered evidence of secret tunnels and hidden doors. Why? Military strategy. These weren't just for patrols. Experts believe they allowed Chinese troops to launch surprise attacks from behind enemy lines or to send spies directly into Mongol camps. Imagine a massive wall suddenly opening up and soldiers pouring out from within. It turns a passive defense into an active trap. When you think of the Great Wall, you picture the pristine, restored sections near Beijing. But that's only about 8% of the Ming Dynasty structure. The vast majority is something else entirely: the Wild Wall. Places like the Jiankou section, just 100 kilometers from Beijing, are reclaimed by nature. Towers melt into rubble. The path narrows so only one person can pass. It's breathtakingly beautiful but dangerously fragile. Hiking here has claimed lives. This wild wall is the greatest open-air museum in the world, but it's a museum crumbling before our eyes.
Estimates suggest over 3,200 kilometers are abandoned, and nearly 2,000 kilometers have vanished completely. This brings us to the biggest misconception. The Great Wall is a misleading name.
It was never a single, simple wall. It was China's great military defense system.
The Ming Dynasty portion alone was an 8,851 kilometer network comprising actual wall, deep trenches, impassable mountain ridges, and over 25,000 watchtowers.